So good morning or good day, everyone. Darshan Parakhya is here from Marwadi University, the assistant professor, and I have complete my MTech in a construction project management, and I am working over here from the civil engineering department at the Marwadi University, Rajkot, Gujarat. So, into the submission of the capstone project, I have carried out one. We have to choose one LMS out of the three. In that, from that, I have already selected one, that is a Canvas. So let me show you the starting from the submission of the capstone project. So in that, first of all, I have introduced our subject, our civil engineering 7th semester subject. That is a most important subject for the students. It is also used as a practical work. So we have decided to uh, introduce this subject into the Canvas portal. So in that, the first thing that we need to add for the Canvas portal, that is a people or student and as well as teachers. So as you can see from the screen, we have already added students as well as the teachers to the Canvas portal. So there are four teachers for those who are taking into the different classes this subject, that also we have added over here, as well as I have added 61 students over here for the Canvas portal to submit the everything for the Canvas portal. Next thing, to introduce the module. I already introduced the module into the first one, that is a module, introductory module, that is a module 0. Into that, we have discussed with students into the this pandemic situation. We are taking lectures into the online mode. So by the taking online mode, by discussing, first of all, we have discussed the introductory subject, that what is the subject, what are the progress of the subject, and what are we doing into this subject. In that, first of all, the course outline is we have discussed. Then the timetable of the entire week is already given to the student. Then syllabus is given, lesson plan, then schedule of live or recorded sessions, that is a already we have prepared and I have uploaded over here. And for the reference, at the end of the semester, I have uploaded the previous year question papers. And last, that is a self study material that we are conducting at the time of the completion of the one module. We are giving the task to the students for the self study, and they will submit into the form of the assignment that we will discuss further. Let me show you first of all the uploaded document that is over here. First of all, that is a course outline and matrix mapping of COPO. So this is a course outline and matrix mapping of COPO, and this is a, as you can see, the justification of the CO with the PO. Then the second one, that is a timetable. So as you can see, there are four types of subjects that students are learning into the seventh semester of this civil engineering branch. So in that, there are three lectures should be conducted from my side, as well as one as well as two lectures are taken from the other faculties. So and one lab session is also there, that is over here. This is your lab session. So 1 hour of lab session and 5 hours of the lecture sessions are be conducted during the semester. This is a online module. Course classroom is online, as you can see over here. So this all the lectures we are conducting into the online mode, and also assessment is also we are taking into the online mode. Then this is a syllabus of the subject, that is a professional practice and valuation. In that, objectives of the course, then learning outcome, are introduced. The credits, that is a three credits of the subjects. Then this is a detailed syllabus that's already we have uploaded, that I will show you further. So this detailed syllabus already attached with the syllabus to the Canvas module. So this is the syllabus. Then this is a lesson plan that we are conducting during the lecture. So there are 5 lectures per week. So there are 2 faculties per class are divided into the topic wise, or you can say module wise. We will divide, or faculties are divided by the taking the lecture by the module. So this is a proper entire lesson plan as per the syllabus. Then uh, out of this, all the entire syllabus from the my portion, I have scheduled the total number of the online lectures. So as you can see, from the starting of the 23rd of June, we have started the session of the lectures, and these are the entire schedule from the starting to the ending of the semester. So by this date, we will follow the topic, as well as we will follow the lecture, online lecture or live lectures or recorded lecture. So if you see over here, the topics are already given. So in this topic, we are taking 3 lectures. In this topic, we are taking 2 lectures that already we are planning, or we have planned during the starting of the semester. Then the next is a previous year paper. So these are the previous year's papers, that should be university papers that should be asked previously for the students. And the last, that is a self-study material. So this is a self-study material is given to students. So there are major topics is given to the students, that is a uh, that student need to complete after the completion of the each module. So each topic is given by the types of the module, and the student will get the activity, do the activities in the form of the practical as well as in the form of the theoretical concept. Otherwise, if there is not concept, then if there are the software modules are introduced, so that is also topics are given over here. So these things should be covered into the introductory module. Then the meeting hours of the second topic to be discussed into the meeting hours. So meeting hours can be discussed. We will start the meeting into the live lectures as well as pre-recorded lectures. So up to, I think we have taken more than 15 to 20 lectures for the, and every week we are planning to have a meeting. In a lab session, we will meet to discuss the things of the subject, and also discussion should be made into the online portal as well as into the WhatsApp groups. Into the online, we are conducting a lab session. So in a lab session, we are discussing the things to be covered, which should be covered in the past lectures as well as into the future lectures. Then once is a course announced, when the start we have start the semester, we have announced the course into by the introduction of the subject, and we have conducted one entire lecture regarding the announcement of the course. Then second thing, that is a attendance status. So we are taking attendance manually as well as into the portal. So the university has their own portal for the taking attendance, and for the subject introduction, lesson plan, lab plan, and everything. So we are taking attendance into that format, and also we have taken manually attendance into this Excel format. So this is a attendance sheet of each student, and over here this is the attendance of the each student, that is a shown into the percentage, as you can see from the screen. So daily attendance we are taking, and daily attendance of the filling of that attendance is also done by regularly. Then the next is a module. So in the Canvas portal, as you can see from the screen, from the syllabus over here, we have introduced the syllabus over here. So as per the syllabus, there are 6 modules introduced for the project, our subject, that is the professional practice and valuation. So by the types of the module, we have introduced 6 modules, that is showing over here into the syllabus. So that we have introduced into the module as well as over here to the module. So that is the estimation, specification, rate analysis, contracting, tendering, and valuation. So that's are there are six types of module we have uploaded over here. So for the submission of the each activity, as well as submission of the, as well as they can get from the any material, or as well as any other thing. Then the link lecture materials is given into the collaboration of the I have given the lecture materials into the different module, because over here, if I am giving over here, so student can hesitate to take open in every module and then get in each module the materials. So I have introduced another module, that is a lecture material. So in this lecture material, I have uploaded my presentation as well as into that presentation into the PPT form as well as into the PDF form. So I have provided the students for their reference to the subject, or for the lecture materials is given over here into this module of the lecture material. Then recorded lectures as well as live lectures recording with link is provided over here into the by the types of the by the number wise lecture. I have provided one link of the YouTube. So as you can see, let me show you. Suppose we have introduced some lectures. So from the starting from first lecture of the semester, we have introduced yes, we have introduced yes. As you can see over here, the lectures are recorded or pre-recorded lecture that we are taking into the online mode, and then after completion of the lecture on the daily basis, we are uploading the lecture onto the YouTube, and that link we are providing over here to the student, that you can see over here from the lecture, online lectures or pre-recorded lecture. These are the presentation form, into the presentation form as well as into the live recorded lecture form. So let me show you one another example of the live recorded. Yeah, so this is a live recorded session that we are conducting during the online session, and we are taking this using by the platform, that is Zoom platform we are using, and also sometimes we are using Google Classroom as well as Google Meet for the uh, completion of the lecture. So this how I have already uploaded or provided the link to the students. I have provided links of the lectures to the students for their future purpose. So student can see anytime any lecture by the number or type wise the lecture. If the pre-recorded lectures are there, then pre-recorded lectures, and if the live lectures are there, and at that time live lectures is they can see, or by the types of the topic they are also can see the live lectures. Then other thing, that is a we have provide into the module, each module we have provide the assignment to the student. So after the completion of the each module, student have to submit the assignment into this Canvas portal. So the deadline that we are giving after the completion of the uh, module, you can say, we are providing the deadline, and as well as we are assessment of that assignment is also calculated by the end of the deadline. So every assignment can be completed after the completion of the module. So this how we are conducting, this how I have conducted the this subject to the over here. Also I have uploaded the outcomes. Yes, so there are four outcomes I have introduced to the subjects. That is a, as you can see, yes, as you can see over here, there are four types of outcome that we have introduced or syllabus. Into the syllabus you can see there are four outcomes that is introduced by the university. So for the each outcomes we have introduced the points as well as the percentage of the outcome of the syllabus. So that thing we have mentioned, I have mentioned over here into the outcome. And the assessment also can be done by the online portal, that is online Canvas portal. That's after completion of the deadline of each module, student can submit the assignment into the each module, and then assessment can be carried out by me. So this how I have introduced my Canvas portal and my subject, that is a professional practice and valuation. So this is my presentation regarding capstone project submission. So I think I have I have covered many points, every points that I have covered over here, and I have introduced over here into the Canvas portal. Uh, so thank you very much to you, and have a good day. Thank you.